Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick video on how to fix a problem with headphones quality being bad, Bluetooth headphones on Windows 10, and how to fix that. The problem is mostly some sort of crackling or disturbance when you actually play a video or play a game or anything else. There's some bad quality and crackling going on there. So how to fix it? Let's get straight to the point. First, write Device Manager. When the Device Manager comes up, let's bring it into the next screen. Select Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth options, look for this option. Search, then disable this option. And if it works for you, the problem will be gone immediately. If it didn't work for you, you can try disabling some other features here to get better quality. Of course, if it doesn't work, you can always turn those back on. But you're looking for this one, turn it off, and the crackling and the low quality sound should be gone. Hope it helped you solve the problem. Now that you have a great headphones, leave a like, subscribe. This helps me a lot. Have a great day.